guys, Adam Hewson. I'm coming to you as always from the digital studios of Market Club. And the market we're looking at today is something we haven't looked at for a while, but it's part of our World Cup portfolio. We've been tracking this for over 3 years now, and the results have been very good. We've made money 11 out of 12 quarters in this particular market. The market we're looking at is wheat. This is the December contract, the E contract. And as you can see, from this point on, we had a really big move. Let's say going from $5 to $8. That's an enormous move. And the news is just coming out today that Russia is banning exports of grain. And that's obviously fueling the fire in this market. But let's look at how our trade triangles have done in this market. And we'll look at each signal and we'll go through it and we'll decipher how we do this. So let's take everything off the screen. And we're going to put our trade triangles on. Our trade triangles are right here. And for grains and futures, we always use our weekly for the trend. So here's our signal at 517. So let's just put that in. I'll put the signals in afterwards. 517. And we use our daily for timing. So you can see the red and green. So we would get long. Let's just draw this in. So this was... So right here was the original buy point, and that's at 517. So we would have gotten long at this point. We would have come out of the market right here, and that was at 561. I'm just going to put everything on the side here. That was a profit of 44 cents. That's $2,200. Okay, we would have got back in here, and that was at 580. And we would have exited here at 604, and that was a gain of 24 cents. Okay, so we got back in again here, and that was at 625.50, and we're exiting here, and I think this produced our first loss of the move. And this price was, we got out, we got back. So this was 615.75. So this actually produced a negative 975. It's 9.75. So we get back in here, and this is at 635, and the market's currently trading at 811.50. That's the new high for the move, and that is a profit, substantial profit, 176.25. Okay, so you add all of these up and subtract this, and what it comes out to be is this. You have 3 wins and 1 loss, so it's a 75% win rate so far, and the gains were $11,612.50. This is like a 300% return in a very short period of time, in a month. You have a loss of $487.50. So you subtract those, and I'll put it right here, the big number, and you have a gain of $11,125. Now we explain in detail how you use our trade triangles, how you can follow this World Cup portfolio that we've developed at Market Club, and exactly how we trade. We use the weeklies, so here we are. We use the weekly trade triangles for trend and the daily trade triangles for timing. It's really that simple, and that's how we do it. We've explained this several years ago. We keep explaining it. And what you have to do with this type of approach is be consistent, be in the market, and get ready. This market came out of the blue. Obviously, the huge companies like Continental Grain, Bunge, they have experts all around the world. So they had to come in. They knew the price of wheat was going to go high, so they had to show their moves in the marketplace. And this is what the moves were right here. This big move from $5 to over $8, a huge move in the grains. And you caught it using trade triangles. You're never going to miss a big move in the markets using trade triangles. Hey, this is Adam Hewson. Thanks for stopping by. Every success. And remember, watch those trade triangles